Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly copper plate metal parts at home. Place a container on the scale and measure out approximately 100 grams of copper sulfate. Now transfer the measured copper sulfate into a plastic or glass bottle. Take a solution of sulfuric acid mixed with distilled water and pour approximately 100 grams of it into a cup. This acidic solution will play a crucial role in the copper plating process, helping to improve the conductivity of the electrolyte and facilitating the deposition of copper onto the metal parts. Please remember to handle sulfuric acid with care, using appropriate safety equipment like gloves and goggles, as it is a highly corrosive substance. Carefully pour the solution into the bottle containing copper sulfate. Measure out 450 milliliters of distilled water. Now pour the distilled water into the bottle containing the copper sulfate and sulfuric acid solution. Close the bottle and mix thoroughly until the copper sulfate is completely dissolved. Pour the resulting solution into a container. Before proceeding, ensure that the metal part is cleaned of any contaminants and rust. Wipe it down using a degreaser to ensure a clean surface for optimal results. Place the metal part in the prepared solution. The longer it remains in the solution, the thicker the copper coating will become. This way, you can easily coat a metal part with copper at home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.